can't. I love fish.
Next day now at 4:30 p.m. We just woke up finally. We're jet lagged. It's been a long day. Just gonna rest up today. Maybe go out to see some restaurants later tonight. And for now, we're just gonna chill in the house. The house is still under construction, well, apartment. Sorry. There's so much going on, so much work, plumbing. The building structure's still not even finished. The flats aren't done. There's no lift. The stairs are like half built. So yeah, this is expected to be done in June. So yeah, we moved in an apartment while it's still being constructed. Although it still is quite nice considering it's still under construction. But yeah, bought lots of fish. So let's go have a look. What's in here? What did you buy?
It's fish. I didn't buy. My uncle bought it for me.
Okay.
Because I came from IKEA and I need to eat lots of fish. I didn't get any fresh fish. So they thought, okay, this is the time to get all this fish all together for her.
Okay.
এগুলা সব হইছে আমার জন্য। Because you don't eat fish. This is all for me.
Are you going to eat it all?
Yeah. Going to eat all and take some with me. Cooked
Okay.
one. I need to put this all ice in there. Pabda. Okay, pabda fish. Okay? I put there. I love fish. Now you know how much I love fish.
Yeah, I can tell.
I'm a fish girl.
Fishy girl.
I'm not fishy.
Yeah, fishy, that's the right.
I'm not fishy.
Fisher.
Ow. I think prawns, big prawns.
Prawns.
Yeah, prawns. These ones I think. Tangra.
Tangra.
This is tangra fish.
How?
Tangra fish.
Obosshoi. I love it. I wanted to eat gulsha mas. Bashpata mas. Another variation of fish.
Bashmata.
Bashpata.
Bashpata.
Bashpata. Bashpata. It has no English name. Bashpata.
Bashpata.
Yeah, bashpata. Fish.
Bash, the English name is bamboo.
Bamboo leaf fish. Wow.
Jao.
This is the big one.
Yeah, this is the big one.
Hey!
Ow.
It's
Carved one because they couldn't put, fully in a long way, straight
Pick
way
it
in
up.
that box. Ow, it's so heavy, I can't lift it up.
5 kg?
More than that.
Say,
7, yeah.
pick it up and say, I love fish.
I love fish. I really love fish.
It does.
Nova, help me, please. Ow. I can't do it. Terrible. Uncle, thank you so much. Basically, Uncle gifted me these all fish.
Yeah.
Video নিতেছে
Yeah, he gifted all the fish.
All fish to me.
He gifted all the
for me.
fish.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much, Uncle. আসলে অনেক ধন্যবাদ.
There's a lot of fish. A lot of fish. Now they're unboxing all the fish and taking it all out into the pans.
জীবনে শিখতাম।
You feeling happy now?
So happy. আমাদের একটা ফটো ছবি নিবে। Lavi, take a photo.
Take a photo of the fish.
Yeah. I love fish.
Are you happy you got all this fish now?
Yes, I'm so happy. I was expecting that.
Which one are you going to eat first?
I'm gonna eat that prawn first.
Prawns, yeah.
Then
yeah.
bashpata. মানে চিংড়ি আগে খাবো, তারপরে bashpata মাছ খাবো.
Prawns and then bashpata.
Yeah. Prawn you need to say chingri.
Chingri, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you said it. Chingri, then bashpata.
Yeah, chingri and then bashpata.
Then pabda.
Pabda.
Yeah. Then gulsha.
Yeah, go to last.
Tengra. Yeah, tengra. Now, last will be the air mas. Air.
Okay.
Yeah. That big one, tall
Do
one.
you really want prawns though? Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
I can tell. These are the prawns. All the prawns are here. I'm going to eat the chicken legs, is it?
Yeah, chicken legs. Drumstick.
with rice.
Pulao rice.
Yeah, let's see how they are. Here it is. Looks very nice.
It's the soft fry. It's not hard fry.
How is it?
How is it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, okay.
একদম বলো raw একদম রিঅ্যাকশনের কথা বলো
How's the food? Good.
So yummy.
Habiba was just fed by her mother, and now we're gonna get ready to go out to get some food as well. Yeah, more food as well. On top of this food, lots and lots of food. Now unboxing all the stuff that we bought over here. Here is all our stuff that we brought over. Chocolates, perfumes, toiletries. Stuff that's quite hard to find in Bangladesh. So this is why we brought it over. Because it's very difficult to get here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's mad how like certain products you just can't get here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really mad.
I mean, you will get it, but copied one.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
will
yeah.
say it's authentic, but it is not.
Yeah.
I mean, what I got all this, I know all these authentic and all these original products.
Yeah,
no
yeah.
copy product. That's
like
right.
a twirl here, you can't just get a twirl. It's not that easy.
And these boxes, celebration boxes, it says celebration, and it I mean, even some local shops say, no, it's authentic from UK, but it's not. It's not the same taste.
Yeah,
it's not.
yeah.
That's why I had to get all these chocolates.
Yeah, that's right.
এগুলো সব সরান লাগবে This is the back of the building. That's why it's so dust. I mean, nasty there.
Yeah.
I shouldn't use the word nasty. I mean, like, I don't know proper word for it. I mean, it looks horrible. I know.
Stray dog. Are the kids playing over there?
Yeah.
They have a fire lit up, I think. You can see. See there, they have a fire and they're playing around here. Over here. Yeah, all the apartment blocks over here. Where everyone lives.